A-Punk by Vampire Weekend is played in standard tuning with no capo. The main riff starts off with this little major third interval shape here. We've got 10th fret on the B, 9th fret on the high E, and we're just going to strum down, up. Then we'll add the pinky finger to the high E string at the 12th fret, and strum down, up again. We'll then drop down 2 frets to 7 on the high E, 8 on the B, and do exactly the same thing, so down, up, but this time we'll add the pinky to the 10th fret, the high E, and do the same strumming down, up. So 10 and 9, finger up to the 12th fret, 8 and 7, finger up to the 10th fret. And then we'll go all the way down here to 3rd fret on the B and 2nd fret on the high E, but this time we're just going to strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This is played 3 times, 10 and 9, 8 and 7, and then 3 and 2. Then we're going to come to 7 on the B, 5 on the high E, down, up, 5 and 5, first finger bar on the B and E, down, up, and then back to the 3 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 7 and 5, 5 and 5 and 3 and 2. Play twice.